this new video channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dumpling, Chinese dumpling dipping sauce. And this is usually you just in China you dip the vinegar or dip the soy sauce. And I make this kind of updated sauce, and I usually dip in the dumplings. It tastes very good. First we need some garlic sauce. If you don't have garlic, you can use a raw garlic. It doesn't matter, squeeze some raw garlic. So I have the garlic sauce. So it's kind of 1 table garlic sauce. And you can go to my video about the Chinese pork salad, cooked pork salad, and to find how to make this garlic sauce. And so right now I just use the garlic sauce. If you don't have it, you just add squeeze some garlic and without just squeeze some raw garlic into it. This is the salt. We add half teaspoon of salt to it. This is the Chinese vinegar. You can add white vinegar, it doesn't matter. We add 2 teaspoons and vinegar to it. This is the soy sauce. We add 1 teaspoon soy sauce. This is a chicken soup mixed mixture. We add a pinch to it. Don't add too much. This is a cold tap water. We add a 1/4 cup cold tap water to it. Now this sauce is done. And if you like, besides garlic, you want ginger, you can chop some ginger add to it. If you don't like it, this sauce is done. And but if you like spicy, this is Chinese peppercorn oil. And in my video you can find how to make it. We can add, if you like spicy, you can add use a dry clean spoon. Don't get the peppercorn. Get probably half teaspoon and add it to it. This is the chili oil, the original Chinese chili oil. You can find the recipe, and it's on my video. The video is called the original chili oil. You know how to make it. We add, if you like spicy. If you don't like spicy, I think it's just done. If you add spicy, add 1 teaspoon of the chili oil. This is sesame oil. You can give a few drops of sesame oil. So this sauce is done. So this sauce is done. Yeah. If you don't like spicy, don't add any spicy or yeah. Then okay, get dumplings and dip it and eat it. It's so good. So the dipping dumpling sauce is done, and I hope you like it. Then please subscribe, share, like, and comment, and see you next time.